Hello everyone, today show new software, new viewbot. Okay, need select any random stream. I already select this stream and download any free fresh proxy list. We can use this site for example, just click button download and we have new fresh proxy list. Okay, nice. Can start guys.
Goddamn adverts.
Save nickname and click button load process and select this proxy pack. Okay, and click button start and can wait 2-3 minutes maybe.
Sorry, let me read the catch up. I was too busy. Units of morale depending on how the trained late game units. That's cool. You don't sound like what I thought a Scottish person said. So, funnily enough, Meat, I am very well spoken.
1000
or actual aliens or like organisms, there's definitely some sort of life out there. I believe there is something out there. Yeah, there's not much else I can say. I reckon there's too much we don't know.
2000.
There's too much we don't know. And the FBI that's watching, I'm watching you. Like actual aliens are just random objects. I believe there is actual alien life forms, yes. Organisms are a definite. If they don't care about us, then, I mean, they're, I don't know. Why does it say I've got 2,240 viewers? Why is my computer bugging out? What is going on? Why does it say I have 2 point something viewers? The fuck?